Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these gloves. First of all, I love when gloves have the little buckle because gloves always get lost when they are apart. So I like how they have the little buckle. Some of the other really neat things is it's got this nice reflective area right on the back of here. On the inside is super cool. It's got this little silicone area on here to be able to help you grab anything that you need to grab. And it has the fingerprint on here, so if you needed to use your phone, you can easily do that. Now the inside lining is a really nice soft lining, and this is just made of polyester and spandex. So whenever you put it on, it does have a nice stretch to it. So then you can grab your phone and be able to do anything that you are needing to do, whether it is move your phone around with the touch screen, and because of this nice silicone grip, you can easily hold on to any object that you're needing to hold on to. So these are great gloves that you can have for all winter long.